Tell me what I'm looking at.
It's a
Because it feels
Bandai kit.
It feels wrong.
What about it feels wrong?
Let's have a look.
What, you're talking about the tail?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't see the tail before.
I didn't see the tail before. It's part horse, part girl. Is this like?
I really don't know. I think this is from the game. What's she called? Umamusume. Pretty Derby Tokai Teio. What is that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You're Japanese.
I don't know. I'm Scottish, mate. What are you talking
You're
about?
Scottish that speaks Japanese.
So,
Oh, look, painted eyes.
Yeah.
That had me at hello. That's it. I'm done.
and the eyes are the hardest bit to do, so it's good that you've done that. You might notice that there's non-painted face in there as well. Got a whole bunch of eyes.
Oh yeah. So
Yeah.
you can put stickers.
Yeah, so you get stickers here. Got a bit of lace work there. That must be for the
Could be
collar.
or tiara.
Yep.
Or maybe for the horse. Does it come? Oh, she is the horse. I'm confused. I love this stuff. It's so far out of my depth.
But how good is the color separation on this? So you've got all the different colors all molded together. Very Bandai.
Not only that, but the color palette.
Hmm.
It's not just washed out bland colors.
No, it's super
They
bright.
are either
red.
like
That's
that
the
is
real red.
brilliant, and that is like metallic. You know, I mean, obviously their brands. But look at this white. Like it's such a white.
Yeah.
I don't know how to
It's a pure,
explain it.
cool white. And they come with a
Everything-
stand as well.
What does she need to stand for? She has legs, doesn't she?
Yeah, but if you want her standing on one leg,
Uh-huh.
you need a stand to keep her up.
Well, she has hooves.
Has she?
No, I don't know. I was
Oh.
making it up. She could be. She could have
That's
hooves.
terrible.
No, she has boots. They could
Ah.
be hooves. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know where to go with that, but
You don't know. Why
No.
not?
there is another box with BJ's DNA.
Very good, isn't it? The engineering is superb.
That is phenomenal.
Yeah.
I'd be a little bit worried about where the content goes sometimes,
Content? Who's content?
but the people love it, don't they? Like, people love this stuff.
Yeah, I love it too.
And
They
I
do a really
love
good
it. It's
job.
just, let's go back to the top and have a look how she looks finished. She looks happy. I'm glad that they make her look
Let's
happy.
get that focus, eh?
Oh.
Yeah,
Look
she looks
at-
pretty happy, yeah?
Doesn't she? For a horse lady, if you call most ladies a horse, they'd get
How do
upset.
you know she's a horse?
She has a tail.
So, there's other animals with tails too. My cat's got a tail.
We should got Derby. I don't know. It just reminds me somewhat like a mane. Look, it's like a horse's ears.
Oh, is it?
I don't
Oh,
know.
yeah, you might be right there. Yeah, maybe. Oh, Umamusume. Oh, it is. Uma is horse.
There you go.
So you can read Japanese.
I've been practicing while you're gone. Look, she looks happy. Look, you can make her dance and jump and look sprint.
Yep.
Ready for the race. Ready for the Derby.
Oh, that's interesting. They're showing off the toes, how they fold.
Folding
So
toes.
it's got that natural look of the toes.
Oh yeah, it looks
Actually
really natural.
Sprinting.
I like horse girls. They look really natural.
They do. Use your imagination. Enjoy.
Yeah, but I don't have one, and that's where
You don't have an imagination.
Not much.
Oh, don't worry. I'll slowly build you one.